Welcome to our in-depth review of the best running and jumping shoes available on the market. In this video, we'll explore top-rated options designed to enhance your athletic performance, offering both comfort and support. From innovative cushioning systems to lightweight materials, these shoes promise to elevate your game. Whether you're an avid runner or an enthusiastic jumper, our expert analysis will guide you to the perfect fit for your needs. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The world of running shoes with a detailed look at the Saucony TRIUMPH 22. If you're searching for supreme comfort and neutral cushioning in your runs, this shoe might just be your perfect match. Let's get started. The Saucony TRIUMPH 22 is not just functional, but also stylish. It boasts a sleek design with vibrant color options that appeal to a wide range of tastes. The shoe's modern look is complemented by its reflective detailing, ensuring visibility and safety during your early morning or late evening runs. When it comes to comfort, the TRIUMPH 22 excels. Saucony has incorporated their Perrin PB cushioning, which provides a plush yet responsive feel underfoot. Whether you're tackling long distances or quick sprints, this shoe cushions every step, reducing fatigue and enhancing your overall running experience. The TRIUMPH 22 is designed for neutral runners, meaning it provides balanced support without overcorrecting your natural gait. This makes it ideal for those with a normal arch who seek stability and comfort in their footwear. The shoe adapts to your stride, ensuring a smooth and effortless run every time. One of the standout features of the TRIUMPH 22 is its Perrin PB technology. This innovative foam is incredibly lightweight and bouncy, offering a lively ride that keeps you feeling energized. The foam also has excellent durability, maintaining its performance over many miles, making it a great investment for serious runners. Adding to the shoe's comfort is the Ortholite sock liner. This component enhances the overall fit and feel of the TRIUMPH 22. It provides extra cushioning, moisture management, and breathability, ensuring your feet stay cool and dry, even during intense workouts. So, there you have it, the Saucony TRIUMPH 22. With its supreme comfort, advanced cushioning technologies, and stylish design, it's a fantastic choice for neutral runners looking to elevate their performance. Number 4. The New Balance Fresh Foam 1080V13. If you're looking for a running shoe that combines comfort, performance, and sustainability, this could be the one for you. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this shoe stand out. New Balance Fresh Foam 1080V13 features a sleek and modern design that appeals to both casual runners and serious athletes. The engineered air mesh upper not only looks great but also provides excellent breathability, ensuring your feet stay cool and comfortable during every run. At the heart of this shoe is the Fresh Foam X midsole foam, which offers unparalleled cushioning. With approximately 3% bio-based content, this midsole delivers incredible comfort while also being environmentally friendly. Each step feels soft yet responsive, making long runs a breeze and reducing the impact on your joints. The dual-density midsole in the 1080V13 uses two different foams to achieve the perfect balance of comfort and performance. The combination of these foams provides a smooth and stable ride, whether you're running a marathon or just going for a casual jog. This design ensures optimal support and energy return. Durability is key for any running shoe, and the 1080V13 excels in this area with its endurance rubber outsole. This technology is strategically placed in high-wear areas to extend the life of the shoe. You can confidently tackle any terrain, knowing your shoes are built to last and provide reliable traction. The engineered air mesh upper enhances the shoe's overall comfort and fit. It adapts to the shape of your foot, offering a snug yet flexible feel. This material also promotes excellent airflow, keeping your feet dry and comfortable even during the most intense workouts. So, there you have it, the New Balance Fresh Foam 1080V13. With its combination of superior cushioning, durability, and eco-friendly materials, It's a top choice for runners of all levels. Number 3. The HOKA Men's Clifton 9 sneaker. Known for their superior comfort and performance, HOKA has once again impressed us with this latest edition. Let's lace up and get started. The HOKA Men's Clifton 9 sneaker features a sleek and modern design that's sure to catch your eye. The upper is crafted from high-quality textile, offering a breathable and flexible fit. The shoe's lightweight construction doesn't compromise durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily wear and intense workouts. When it comes to comfort, HOKA nails it with the Clifton 9. The textile upper, combined with a plush interior lining, creates a snug yet comfortable fit. The shoe's cushioning system, utilizing polyurethane foam, provides excellent shock absorption, making long runs and walks a breeze. Performance-wise, the Clifton 9 is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. The shoe offers exceptional arch support, which is crucial for preventing injuries during high-impact activities. The outsole's traction pattern ensures stability on various surfaces, giving you confidence with every step, whether you're running on the track or hitting the trails. No one likes sweaty feet, and HOKA understands this well. The Clifton 9's textile upper is engineered for optimal breathability, allowing air to circulate freely and keep your feet cool. Additionally, the moisture-wicking properties help manage sweat, ensuring your feet stay dry and comfortable even during intense workouts. Priced competitively, the HOKA Men's Clifton 9 sneaker offers excellent value for money. Considering its superior comfort, durability, and performance, this shoe is a worthy investment for any runner or fitness enthusiast. You're getting a high-quality product that's built to last, making it a smart choice for your footwear collection. So there you have it, folks. The HOKA Men's Clifton 9 sneaker is a top-notch running shoe that excels in design, comfort, performance, breathability, and value. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish sneaker to enhance your running experience, give the Clifton 9 a try. Number 2. The Brooks Go 16, a shoe designed to help you run smoothly and comfortably on any track. With top-notch materials and innovative features, this shoe is a runner's dream. The Brooks Go 16 sports a sleek, modern design with a round bump toe and a secure lace-up closure. The nylon upper and lining provide durability and breathability, ensuring a comfortable fit. The overall build quality is impressive, with each component thoughtfully crafted for optimal performance and longevity. Comfort is where the Ghost 16 truly shines. The nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 midsole cushioning delivers lightweight, responsive comfort with every step. This advanced cushioning technology adapts to your stride, providing personalized support and reducing impact. Whether you're on a short jog or a long run, your feet will feel great. Performance is key for any runner, and the Ghost 16 doesn't disappoint. The shoe offers excellent stability and support thanks to its well-designed midsole and rubber outsole. The low-to-the-ground profile enhances ground contact, improving balance and control, while the recycled silica in the outsole ensures durable traction on various surfaces. No one wants sweaty feet during a run, and the Brooks Go 16 addresses this perfectly. The nylon upper allows for superior breathability, keeping your feet cool and dry. Additionally, the nylon lining and EVA insole work together to wick away moisture, maintaining a comfortable environment inside the shoe. The Go 16 is not just about performance, it's also eco-conscious. The rubber outsole includes recycled silica, showcasing Brooks' commitment to sustainability. By choosing this shoe, you're not only enhancing your running experience but also supporting environmentally friendly practices. And there you have it, folks. The Brooks Go 16 is a fantastic choice for runners seeking comfort, performance, and sustainability. With its innovative features and superior design, this shoe is a must-have for your running gear. Number 1. The ASICS GEL-Nimbus 26, a shoe that promises top-notch cushioning, comfort, and sustainability. If you're looking for a running shoe that combines advanced technology with eco-friendly features, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The ASICS GEL-Nimbus 26 features FF Blast Plus technology, providing lightweight impact absorption and a responsive rebound. This means every step feels cushioned and springy, reducing fatigue on long runs. The added Pure GL technology further enhances the experience, offering softer landings and an overall smoother ride. The engineered mesh upper of the GL-Nimbus 26 is designed for maximum breathability and comfort. It allows for excellent air circulation, keeping your feet cool and dry even during intense workouts. The mesh also adapts to your foot's shape, providing a snug and comfortable fit that prevents irritation. ASICS takes sustainability seriously with the GL-Nimbus 26. At least 75% of the shoe's main upper material is made with recycled content, significantly reducing waste and carbon emissions. Additionally, the sockliner is produced using a solution dyeing process, cutting water usage by approximately 33% and carbon emissions by 45%. Performance is a key aspect of the GL-Nimbus 26. The combination of FF Blast Plus and Pure GL technologies ensures excellent cushioning and durability. These shoes are built to withstand the rigors of daily running, providing consistent performance and comfort mile after mile whether you're a casual jogger or a marathon runner. These shoes have got you covered. ASICS' commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect of the GL-Nimbus 26. By incorporating recycled materials and eco-friendly dyeing processes, ASICS is reducing its environmental footprint. This makes the GL-Nimbus 26 not only a great running shoe, but also a responsible choice for environmentally conscious runners. There you have it, folks. The ASICS GEL-Nimbus 26 combines cutting-edge technology with eco-friendly practices, making it a standout choice for runners. With superior cushioning, breathability, and sustainability, this shoe is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their running experience. So that wraps up our list of the best running jumping shoes. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Review Avenue family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.